This codfish came out buttery, flaky, and packed with flavor. Starting with fresh cod fillets. I'm getting it out of the package. I don't know if some of you are familiar with this fish, but it is very simple to cook and you will be able to cook yours too, especially after a long day of work. If you are looking for something quick to make that everyone can eat, make sure to rinse your fish or pat it dry before using it. Let's get cooking! Start with putting your cod in the baking dish. This recipe is easy and beginner-friendly. After placing the cod into your baking dish, it is time to season it. I'm using the Kinder's brand seasoning for this fish. Make sure to season generously. Simple ingredients can make incredible meals. Add parsley. I make sure I take my time while seasoning because I want every part of the fish to taste really good. So, no matter what part of the fish you end up with, you'll get some delicious bite. No one likes their fish blend. After sprinkling the parsley, now add butter. This helps keep the fish juicy and flavorful. Make sure to add as much butter as you want. A good amount of butter is what makes the fish soft and flaky, so don't be shy using it. A lot of people think fish is difficult to cook, but cod is actually one of the easiest fish recipes to make at home. While you're laying your butter, start preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We are going to cook this fish for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, the fish is ready. The best part about this recipe is how simple it is. Minimal ingredients, big flavor. This is an easy, healthy, and delicious fish. If you don't want to fry your fish, then the oven is your best option. Look at how flaky and tender this cod turned out. In no time, you'll have your meal. You can serve it with a side of your choice, whatever is best for you. Fish is a dish that can be eaten alone or with many other side dishes. It blends with anything. I like mine with a side of vegetables and rice. Next time you buy cod, you know what to do now. Until next time, see you in the next video.